Skin like chocolate, I call a cocoa. Make she follow me go. Fly away, girl. Nobody will have to know. Skin like fatty bum bum, bitty bum bum. This your bum bum, keep body like bum bum. Fatty bum bum, bitty bum bum. This your bum bum, keep body like bum bum.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be bringing you guys a hair tutorial, and I'm going to be trying this hairstyle on this kinky curly wig. It's kind of like these two space buns with, you know, the little fringe on the side. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you want to see how I achieve this hairstyle, definitely stay tuned. But before we get into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And of course, if you want to see more videos from us on this channel, we do hair videos, makeup videos, fashion videos, and lifestyle videos. So stick around after this video to go watch all those other videos. But yeah, without further ado, let's get right into this tutorial. Okay guys, so we're gonna get right into this hairstyle. I'm basically going to be doing the two space buns look with like the little hair in the front. I'll do it a little different since like I have a wig on this time. I did do this hairstyle on my natural hair, so I'll put the video here and like in the cards or something for you guys to go check it out. But yeah, I'm basically going to kind of recreate that look but on my wig. So right now my hair is tucked back, and what I'm going to start by doing is parting the hair, of course, because that's number one. And I'm going to use this little pig thing, and as you can see, it's kind of parted on the side, but I'll part it in the middle because that's what I want for this look, a middle part. So try and part it as best as you can. Okay, so it's something like this. I want to go like all the way to my ears, so I'm going to part my ear part too, just so I can have my sections. Okay, so I'm just going to tie this out of the way, or yeah, I'm going to tie it out of the way for now. Or actually, I'm going to clip it like that because I'm also going to need this. And then just do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so I got my two front sections. They're kind of pretty much similar. So before I continue, I'm gonna get into what you need. So you're gonna need a spray bottle with water because it's just going to help like tame the hair and define the curls and everything. Some mousse, and I'll be using the Garnier Fructis Curl Construct Mousse. I always use this one. This one is like my go-to. So that's also going to help the hair stay in place. Got to Be is going to help a little bit with the flyaways, but we might not even need it. So just keep it just in case, you know, like in case you want to like, you know, make it look even crispier, this might help. Of course, you need some elastic bands and some clips like I have in my hair right now. But the main thing you need are rubber bands. I'm using rubber bands just because I don't have enough like black elastic bands, but you can use a black elastic band if you have one. This is just what I'll be using. But yeah, I basically have my two sections now, and my wig on this side kind of lifted, but it's okay. It's okay, we'll fix that later. So yeah, now that I have my two sections, the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and kind of leave out the part that I want to leave in the front. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of do like a mini triangle like I did last time. So you can leave out however much hair you want. With my natural hair, I left out a lot of hair, but because this is a wig, I might leave like way less hair out. So I'm just playing with it because, see, I feel like this is too thick because I won't be twisting it. I'm just going to, so let me make it a little smaller. Okay, Okay, so I think this is better. Yeah, I feel like this is way better because I didn't want that to be too big. And then this is going to be the part that goes up. So let me pin that. And do the exact same thing on the other side. So now that I have successfully basically parted my little hairs in the middle, I'm gonna start by taming these and putting them into little space buns. I'm gonna start by spraying a bit of water, and just be careful guys so you don't get your lace. Oh! Exactly what I was saying, the water just came down. But yeah, this is just going to help with it just staying, you know, just taming it a little more. Oh, and I did forget to mention, you will need a hard soft bristle brush, and you can use a brush if you want to, like a hairbrush. I'm not going to because I don't think I need one. So now I'm just going to kind of mold where I want this to be. I think I want it somewhere like here. This is around where I want it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a bit of mousse and put it on the perimeter of that section. Okay, so. And the mousse is going to help with the flyaways too, guys. I'm trying to do this in a way that my frontal doesn't move too much. But even if it does, you can always just restick it later. Okay, so that also helps with the flyaways. But that's pretty much how it is. And I'm going to take the hard soft bristle brush, and this is going to help mold how I want this to look. So I'm just brushing it a little bit. So now I'm going in with a rubber band, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to basically do my little ponytail. I think I want it about here. And you can kind of move it a little bit. And I'm just going to tie it twice just because I don't need it to be super tight. Something like that. Yeah, I think this is good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so it looks a bit something like that. I know it looks a little crazy, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do these little buns. So I'm just going to take the hair literally and just twist it. And you don't need to do this too neatly or anything. I feel like I want to redo these little things because I think I didn't put the hair ties, the rubber bands tight enough. So let me redo them because you really want it to be sleek in the front. So the back, it doesn't really matter, but the front needs to be really sleek. Okay, so I went ahead and fixed both of them and I feel like they look way better. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just basically, oh, and I did go ahead and lay my wig. That flapped out came off. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that little bun. Like I said, it doesn't need to be neat. I actually want them to be kind of big, so I'm doing it loose. And just so, I'm wrapping it until it's completely wrapped under, something like that. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. And I'm making it just a little bigger so that they're both similar. And that's exactly what I wanted. So before we work on these two little pieces, oh, this one is like, I feel like this one's a bit more on this side, but you know, it's all good. Okay, that's better. So before you work on the two pieces in the front, I'm gonna go and work on the back end of my hair, and this part is like really easy. All I'm going to do is spray my hair with first water, and then I'm gonna put some mousse in it to define the curls. So let me do that real quick. So I do add quite a bit of water, guys, just because it kind of helps with like making the hair more defined. Obviously, if it's not wet enough, it won't look nice. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add the mousse and just rake that through my hair. And as you can see, guys, like just look at how I just revived this hair just by putting water and mousse. Okay, so now the last part, I'm gonna put the same exact mousse on this. On the front part of my hair, I don't like putting like water just because I feel like mousse does the job. So I'm gonna do each strand separately. And the mousse is just going to help define it and make it curly. Like you see how it just made it like come through. Yeah, so just keep playing with it until you're like happy with how it looks, but I like it like that. This is exactly why I use mousse, just because it makes your hair like the curls just come and you don't even have to try that hard. So yeah, I did go ahead and just, you know, fix it, just play with it however you want it to like look on your face, and you know, like wherever you want it to fall, just keep playing with it and adding mousse. And this is basically it. One thing I will say, guys, is that your ear tabs might like lift up while you're doing this, so you might have to add a bit of got2b spray, so that's why the got2b spray comes in handy. But other than that, like, it's a very easy hairstyle. It's very cute, very different, very playful for the summer. So yeah, that's pretty much like how it looks. I could do it like this, but if I don't want it in my face, I can just, you know, on the side like that. And yeah, the curls are defined, everything is defined, so that's pretty much it. So guys, this is the end of the video. This is what the hairstyle looks like, and I actually really like it on this wig. I've never tried it on a wig. I've tried it on my natural hair, but I like how it turned out, you know. I like trying new things, so definitely comment down below if you like this hairstyle and if you would rock this hairstyle. And also comment down below if you would like to see me do any other hairstyles or give you any other hair tutorials, because I would love to. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already and join the family. And of course, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!
She be mine, mine on level. She did on lazy. She be